Normally when Apple says something is the most powerful ever, I'm like, yeah, okay. Of course it's better, more faster than last year's version. But ever since the introduction of the M1 processor, those words have an entirely new meaning. This is the brand new, long-awaited, most anticipated, most powerful MacBook Pro ever. So this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max, not the little 14-inch. You know, I need that big boy 16-inch because I need all that extra screen real estate for Final Cut Pro. This is the 10-core CPU, 24-core GPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD. Only thing I feel like I should have probably did was go 2 terabyte SSD. But as you can see, this ain't fully maxed out with the 64 gigs of RAM and the 32 gig GPU because that thing is expensive. This is still expensive, but it ain't expensive like that fully maxed out version. And it ain't the base model. I feel like a lot of people could use the base model, but I kind of like wanted to future-proof a little more, so I just went in the middle of the line, didn't go all the way maxed out, and I didn't go base model. But enough of the talking. Let's jump into the box. Ooh, you know, you got the quick little peel tab. You know, Apple make everything real easy to strip that thing down. Get all this plastic off. And one thing, this box is heavy. So I'm a little scared that the 16 inch is probably a little bit too heavy, but we'll see. We'll test it out. But we're gonna open this thing up if I ever can get this top part off. But this thing is like, it's heavy. Okay. I gotta excuse me, man. I've been waiting around for this computer for a long time. For a really long time. So I'm just gonna live in the moment right now and enjoy this experience. But look at this. Got a little, let me see. I see a little Apple logo with a little ring around it. Let's pull it out. All right, that ain't come off too. That ain't come off too right. But let's. Okay. All right. This is heavy. I mean, the initial weight just it's not that bad, but it is heavy. But let's peel off the little paper. It's not plastic. It feels more like paper. Oh, you hear it? Like a gift wrap. It's Christmas in November. Let's take that thing off. Ooh. Hold on, what we got there? You see it? You see in the camera? Got a little MacBook Pro right there. Got a nice little weight to it. Okay, you see the little Apple logo right there. You know, they could have brought back the Apple logo that lit up, but let's just put it to the side real quick. I don't want to dive too deep into that right now. Let's look what else is in the box. All right, got some books. That's it. Oh, yeah, some more in there. Can't forget about, all right, why y'all trolling me right now? Get out. Okay. Got the big boy black stickers. Got some, you know, books and stuff. You know, I don't need all this. It's just for show. But them black stickers do look dope. Look way better than the regular white stickers. Got the braided charging cable, which is also, wait a minute. What's back? They brought it back. The old school MagSafe 3. They brought back MagSafe. So I'm not one of those people that's like super crazy about MagSafe. I love the whole idea of everything USB-C, but this kind of be like the backup charger, and I'll probably still use, you know, the USB charger as the main charger, because I like just the one plug in. You get the power, the monitor, everything. You just one cord for one everything. So I don't want to deal with two cords and stuff. So this probably be the travel, the carry around, the backup, the secondary charger. But look at this power brick. I think this is oh man, that's really paper. It's no more plastic. So this is the 140 watt USB power adapter. Got a nice little weight on it. It's nice and big. Juice this thing up. Snap that in place. Power brick, all right. Got the USB-C. See it right there. USB-C life, you know I love that USB-C. But that's it for the box. So let's get this out the way real quick. Put that right there. Put the paperwork. This cable is nice though. You know, Apple, you know, good to give you some real cheap cables, but this braided cable is pretty nice. Well, let me do something real quick. Let me hit it with the, I should just pull this off. I don't know why I'm trying to hold on to this with the box. Just beast mode this. Take it out real quick. All right, man, got me like a little kid right now. Trying to take this out. Let's hit the, where's the MagSafe? Oh, it ain't give me that snap I'm trying to get. Come on, give me that snap. Oh, it's on there. Oh, that thing snapped right in too. And it's like it's in there. All right. Stop playing around with this MagSafe. Let's take a look around. You know, we got these ports. We got ports for days now. Got the MagSafe port. Y'all see it right here? All right, so cool. Y'all can see it right here. We got the MagSafe port. We got the USB Thunderbolt 4 headphone jack. Flipping on this side, you have the HDMI port, another Thunderbolt 4, and SD card slot. So I know a lot of people been going crazy about the HDMI port, but like I said earlier, I love the idea of just one cable. I plug my Thunderbolt in, powers my monitor, powers the laptop, and that's it. Just one cable and that's it. I don't use HDMI at all. So I could have appreciated if they would have just put like a regular USB type A in there, so it would have USB-C, USB-A, SD card slot is lit. I use that all the time. You know, I ain't got them big boy cameras yet, so I still use SD cards all the time. But this is the space gray version, and it looks good. All right, I do that. I gotta hit it with the first time open up. Hit it with the one. Hold on, wait, man, don't slide on me now. Hit it with the one hand. Hit it one hand open. Let's peel this plastic off. Got the first boot up. Oh, this display though. Can y'all see? This display looks good. I'm scared to touch it. Oh, wait a minute. That notch. Let me see if I can get it on the camera. That notch is not as bad as it looks on like the pictures and all other videos I've seen. It's there. I can see it, but it's not. It don't look like it's in the way. Just there. But this display, oh man. Oh, I'm gonna love editing on here. It's like a good size, but the quality of this display is, whew. This is the Liquid Retina XDR, crazy name. It's the high refresh rate, 120 hertz. You know I love me some high refresh rate displays. But I never had one on a laptop. Oh man, this looks good. But let me set this up. Wait a minute before I set it up. Let me hit it with the keyboard. The keyboard feels good. All right, but real quick, we don't have the touch bar anymore. Wait a minute, shut up. Shut up. Hey.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Turn off. Trying to mess up my unboxing vibe. But yeah, we don't have the touch bar. And not a popular opinion, but I kind of like the touch bar. It just adds some functionality. Like I would be okay with the touch bar just as long as I still had a physical escape button. Cause that's the only thing that bothers me about the touch bar is not having the physical escape button. Cause I'm coming from a 15-inch MacBook Pro, and touch bar would be cool. It don't bother me at all. Just not having that escape button was a headache. But having physical buttons, function buttons, is cool with me too. I'm not gonna miss the touch bar, but it was cool. But this power button with the touch ID, that's clutch. And the keys feel good. But all right, I'm gonna set it up. So I did the initial setup, and one thing I just can't get past, this display looks amazing. The display alone makes this worth every single penny. I haven't even got around to like trying to edit a video or anything that got to do with performance. But I'm blown away about the quality of the display. And like I can't wait to like, I'm shooting this video really late at night, but I can't wait to like take this outside and try to like use it in the daytime. Because that's one of my problems with like the older MacBooks. It wasn't that bright, but this has a sustained brightness of 1000 nits and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. So I hope I can, like, it's still this good looking in a direct sunlight, but it's great. And I try to listen, like watch one of my videos, and the speakers on here sound, ooh, like, the MacBooks always had like some of the best sounding speakers, but this is really next level. This is the iPhone 13 unboxing and first impression. Like, open it up. It got a nice amount of like bass. All right, listen, I'm not overhyping this. Apple didn't send me this. I paid for this out of my own pocket. And I'm not even an Apple fanboy. If you watch my videos, you know I'm not that crazy about like iPhones and stuff. But this, this is something different. I got a lot of testing to do. Like, this is just the initial unboxing. I really got to put Final Cut on here. I got to test out the webcam. I did a quick little FaceTime. And the video quality is better. It making my skin look real soft and edited. But I don't care about none of that, because I'm still not going to be doing video calls on here. I still going to use my camera connected to it and do video calls and all that. I haven't tested out them new microphones on here yet, but I'm hoping to get a lot of videos on this, because it's just so much more I need to test out. This is really the initial impressions, man. The keyboard feels great. But this display, it's gonna be hard for me to go back using my little wide screen monitor back there. I feel like I just have to connect this to like an XDR display, but I can't afford that. I ain't even gonna front like I can afford that. But it's gonna be hard like using this and then going back to a normal display. That's how good this looks. All right, I'm not gonna drag on this video that much longer. So if there's anything you want me to test, like, this is real world testing. This ain't no fanboy. This ain't no Apple gave this to me, so I'm gonna say some good things about it. Like, I'm gonna really try to test this because this is some hard-earned money I just spent on this. This is one of my most expensive purchases this year. So drop a comment, whatever you want to know. I ain't gonna super geek out the next video. I'm just gonna do some real world testing. No crazy benchmarks or nothing like that. It's a lot of other videos gonna be for that. I'm just gonna do some real world testing to see like if the performance is much better than the M1 Mac Mini that I've been using the last couple of months. It's been holding me down, but I just needed the portability of a MacBook. All right, but we're gonna stop this video right here. If you like the video so far, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I got more content coming. But that's it. This was another Joe Tech Talk. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, definitely, because I'm gonna have some more videos coming. But I'm out for right now. We're gonna stop it right here.